Welcome to Study Loop.
To solve this question, we are looking at enthalpy at state 1 H1 equals to 1547.7 BTU per pound. Entropy at state 1, which is S1, is equals to 1.6315. H1 equals to, I'm sorry for this. We have H1 equals to H1 dash. We have that the obtaining the entropy of the throttling, we have H1 dash is equals to 1547.7. We get the value of S1 dash as 1.6094 plus 1.6487 minus 1.6094 divided by 1552.8 minus 1493.5. That is equal to 1547.7 minus 1493.5. We get it as 1.6453. Again, moving ahead and moving further, we have to find out the value of H2S. It is equals to HF2 plus X2S HFG2. It is equals to 69.74 plus 0.08122. Sorry for this. 0.8122 into 1036 into 911.18, right? Efficiency we get as H1 dash minus H2 divided by H1 dash minus H2S. It is equals to 0.88. 1552.8 minus H2 divided by 1552.8 minus 911.18. Finding out this value H2 equals to, we get as 988.17. Moving out further to find out the value of work done net, we get as 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 6, 1552.8 minus 987.56 minus 75.167 minus 69.74. We get the work done net equals to 78.37 into 10 raised to the power 7 BTU per hour.